Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. This is the section 5 and part 1 of Python for Data Science tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about Pandas series. So, a Pandas series is like a column in a table. It is a one-dimensional array holding data of any type. So, you can consider series as a column of the table or column of the Excel. It can hold any type of data or it is a one dimensional array. So let's see some example. So first we are going to use numpy as well. Here import numpy as np and import pandas as pd. So if you don't have pandas or numpy, then you can basically install in the Python using pip install facility, which I have already shown you in my previous video. Okay, now let's say let me create different variables. So let's say list. I can give name my list and let's say 1 2 3 4 and then let's say labels equals to a v c d and numpy array. So I can say np dot arrange 0 to 5. Okay, and then dictionary. So let's say a1 and b5 c9. Okay, now let me call one of the object. Let's say pd dot series and I can pass the my list. Okay, so if you see, it has written my list 1 2 3 4 along with the index 0 1 2 3. So by default it takes index starting from 0. So if I show you, so it takes data as well as index. Okay, so now let's say if I need to pass manually, so it is basically returning by default 0 1 2 3, but we have option to pass manual index value. So this is data. I can say data equals to my list and index equals to, let's say I want to pass this labels. Now let me run this. So see, now this had changed to ABCD from 0 1 2 3. Let me pass into another cell so that I can compare. So I'm not passing the first one. So see, it's 0 1 2 3 and it's ABCD. So the parameter sequence is first we need to pass the data and after that we need to pass the labels. Okay, we can also pass np data, meaning we can also pass numpy array in that. So let me show you how. Pd dot series and we have np dot arrange numpy data in np data variable. So see, we have 0 to 5, meaning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is taking from, you know, starting. So what I can do, let's say if I pass this 0 to 4, and then if I run this again, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let's say if I want to change the labels, so I can simply pass labels here. I don't need to write my data or list, meaning I can it is not necessary I need to write this data or index. I can directly pass, but first parameter should be data and second would be label. If I execute this, so instead of, let me create this in another cell so that I can show you the difference. So see, here I have 0, 1, 2, 3, and here the label would be changed ABCD. Okay, so like this we can pass the numpy array as well. In numpy array, basically we cannot change the index value, but here in series we can change the series index. Okay, if I need to call the dictionary, so I can simply write pd dot series, and simply I have d. So first let me call d so that it would be clear. So d have like key value pair, and pd dot series. Now I can pass this d. So see, so it has already, or I can say automatically taken key and value. Okay, so now let me show you some more example. So let's say if I need to access a specific element, so how will I do? So let's say I am taking one variable series one equals to, let's say, pd dot series, and here I'm taking, let's say, different job name, let's say clerk, manager, the HR, okay. And now let's say I'm taking labels 1, 2, and 3. Now if I need to access a specific element, let's say I want to see manager, so I can simply type ser1 and 2. So 2 is label for manager. So see, simply I can again use, let's say, different element 1. So actually I need to pass the correct name, so you can see like this. So I'll show you different example. So in this example, I'm going to show you, let's say we have two series, and if I need to combine two series, so what will be the output of this? So let me first create example, then I will show you. SCR2 equals to PD dot series. This time I will take the numeric value in data and string value in labels. So let's say we have India, and let's say USA, and Germany, and France. Okay, if I call this series 2, then I will get the result 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And let's say if I'm taking another series, so let's say series 3 and pd dot series, instead of 2 I can do 4 here and here 5, and what I can do, India, USA, instead of France I can do Italy. Okay, now let me show you. If I combine this object, first let me run this series 3, and let's say if I run SCR2 plus SCR3. So see, now if the value is matching, we will get the addition of these two series, and if it is not matching, then we will get the NaN. So let's see here. India is matching. So on India we have 1, and here 1. So India we have total 2 value, and then USA have 4 and 2, so total 6. Italy is not matching, so that's why it shows NaN, and France is also not matching, that's why it shows NaN. And in Germany, on third we have 3 and we have 5, so 5 plus 3 8. So like this we can use, or we can combine different series. So thank you everyone.